CWC unanimously reaffirms its faith in the leadership of Smt. Sonia Gandhi and requests the Congress President to lead from the front, address the organizational weakness, effect necessary and comprehensive organizational changes in order to take on the political challenges. And CWC also decided to have a detailed deliberation of the party strategy and way forward in the upcoming elections in 2022, 23 and 24. A Chindan Shivir of the senior leaders will be held immediately after the current parliament session. Before the Chindan Shivir, the CWC will meet once again to discuss the matters to be taken up in the meeting, including the organizational changes and the strategies. Honorable Congress President will immediately take up the immediate correction measures to revamp and re-strengthen the organization. The recent assembly election results of 5 states are a cause of serious concern for the Indian National Congress. The party accepts that due to shortcomings in our strategy, we could not effectively expose the misrule of BJP state governments in 4 states and overcome the anti-incumbency in the state of Punjab in the short time after effecting a change of leadership. Congress party represents the hope of millions of Indians against political authoritarianism prevailing in the country today, and the party is fully conscious of its immense responsibility. The CWC expresses its gratitude to millions of Congress workers and leaders across the 5 states who work tirelessly for the party and its candidates. While humbly accepting the electoral verdict of the latest round of assembly elections, the Congress party assures its workers and the people of India that it will continue to remain a vigilant and vibrant opposition. Congress party will fully prepare to face the electoral challenges in the election-going states in 2022 and 2023, as well as in the Lok Sabha election 2024.